Welcome back to our channel, Green Thumbs and Nature Lovers. Join us as we explore a mesmerizing collection of garden walkway ideas that will elevate your outdoor space. Certainly, here are some creative garden walkway ideas that you might find inspiring for your YouTube video. Flagstone Paradise. Create a natural and rustic look using irregular flagstones. These flat stones can be laid out in various patterns, offering a charming and organic path through your garden. Gravel Elegance. A gravel walkway exudes a subtle elegance. Combine different sizes and colors of gravel for a textured look that's easy to maintain and complements a variety of garden styles. Stepping Stone Delight. Set stepping stones amidst lush greenery or over a pond for a whimsical touch. Choose from a range of shapes and materials to suit your garden's theme. Wooden Wonder. Incorporate wooden planks or logs as pathways to add warmth and a touch of nature. These paths work particularly well in woodland or cottage-style gardens. Mosaic Magic. Create a truly unique walkway using colorful mosaic tiles. Whether you opt for intricate patterns or abstract designs, mosaic pathways are sure to be eye-catching. Zen Garden Path. Craft a Zen-inspired garden walkway using clean lines, neutral tones, and carefully placed stones. This design promotes tranquility and harmony in your outdoor space. Bamboo Beauty. For an exotic touch, consider using bamboo as edging or even as the walkway surface itself. Its natural texture and appearance bring a tropical ambience to your garden. Permeable Pavers. Eco-friendly and functional, permeable pavers allow water to pass through, reducing runoff and helping with drainage. Choose from a range of materials like permeable concrete or gravel grids. Lush Green Walkway. Plant low-growing ground cover plants like creeping thyme, moss, or Irish moss between stepping stones to create a soft and inviting walkway that feels like walking through a living carpet. Modern Minimalism. Embrace sleek lines and minimalistic design by using large concrete or stone slabs. This contemporary look can blend seamlessly with modern outdoor aesthetics. Whimsical Whirl. Curve your walkway in a spiral pattern, adding a touch of playfulness to your garden. This works well in smaller spaces, creating a sense of movement and discovery. Cobbled Charm. Recreate the old-world charm with cobblestone pathways. These timeless stones can be arranged in various patterns, offering durability and a touch of history. Herb-scented path. Plant fragrant herbs like lavender, rosemary, or thyme along your walkway. As you stroll, their delightful scents will engage your senses and enhance the experience. Pea Gravel Pathway. A simple yet effective option. A pea gravel path provides a textured surface that works well in casual and cottage-style gardens. Arch Arbor Walkway. Frame your walkway with arching arbors covered in climbing plants like roses or wisteria. This creates a magical tunnel-like effect as you journey through your garden. Remember to showcase each idea with stunning visuals and provide insights into how to implement these designs. Happy filming. Garden walkway ideas hold immense significance in the realm of landscaping, contributing both practicality and aesthetic appeal. These pathways not only guide us through the garden but also define the overall layout, creating structure and flow. Thoughtfully designed walkways enhance accessibility, ensuring easy navigation and reducing soil compaction. Beyond functionality, they add an artistic dimension, introducing textures, colors, and patterns that harmonize with the surrounding flora. Garden walkways can inspire tranquility and exploration, inviting us to connect intimately with nature. In essence, these ideas serve as the vital arteries of outdoor spaces, where design meets purpose to create a truly captivating and inviting environment.
Before you go, dear viewers, don't forget to show your support by hitting that like button, sharing this video with friends and family, and of course, subscribing to our channel for more exciting content. Your engagement fuels our passion to keep creating, so thank you, and remember, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.